Happy Thanksgiving and welcome to Summit County, Colorado, where they are parking her in the cabbage, big time, handy to the ditch. I-70 closed. Sorry, turn it around.
Winter storm warning remains in effect until 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Storm totals 10 to 22 inches of snow.
The Dillon Dam Road is still closed and US 6 Loveland Pass is closed. Traction laws in effect for all passenger vehicles and all major passes.
Trailer is in the cabbage. He's unburying this sled. And he's got to be 2 feet. Showtime?
Hey,
all right.
Have a good one. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Guys, oh, first chair powder day.
First chair.
Yeah. Big time powder day too. Cabbage right off the bat. Yeah, very.
Chase the chair, not race the chair.
Sorry. It's just so good. Good pow day.
Pow day.
It's gonna go like right next to us. I'm actually.
Lenawee Lift is open. What's up, team?
Hi!
What's going on?
We're having just the best day ever.
Yeah, we are. Big time powder day.
What?
Oh, yes.
I think I might like stay.
Thank you.